It's simple to make a sale using your terminal. Enter the sale amount and press the Enter button. When the terminal asks for the card, insert it, swipe it, or for a contactless transaction, ask the customer to present their card or smartphone to the reader. If asked for a PIN, hand the terminal to the customer and ask them to enter their PIN. Or if you have an external PIN pad, ask the customer to enter their PIN on the PIN pad. Wait a few seconds for authorization, then the receipt is printed automatically. Press Enter and ask if the customer wants a copy of the receipt. If yes, press Enter again. If not, press Clear. Tear off the receipt and give it to the customer, making sure they also get their card back. If the terminal requests signature verification, ask the customer to sign. And now you're ready for the next sale. If you need to reprint the receipt, that's not a problem. Just press Menu, scroll down, select Reports, then Reprint. Enter your user password if requested, and select Last. This will let you reprint the most recent receipt.